Acacia, Mommy's making a soup and she needs some carrots. Can you get them for her?
Yeah, thank you. Oh, thank you. Good girl. Oh, wow, thank you.
Whoa!
Good girl. Can I have another one? What about this one? Can I have that one? Yeah, there you go. Oh, thank you. Can I have that one? Thank you. Thank you. Can I have some more?
How many carrots are going to be in this soup?
It's carrot soup.
Oh.
Oh, thank you. Very much. Are you helping Mommy cook? Okay, this is faster. How about I just pull the whole bag out? Yeah. Oh,
Wow.
Good girl. I'll take some. Thank you. Thank you.